Hey, it's Patrick from JMP Cycles, and today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on an Indian FTR. Now, this is something that should be done with regular maintenance, but today we're actually going to upgrade ours a little bit. Instead of using that crappy stock paper filter in there, we're going to upgrade it to a K&N unit, which is not only serviceable, but will flow better. You might say, you know what, like it's just an air filter change, how hard can it be? Well, on this bike, it actually is kind of involved. So we're gonna walk you through that step by step. This bike actually breathes through a couple little air ducts up here behind the triple clamp, and then this is the air box in here, and the gas tank is underneath the seat. So it's a little bit weird, but it's actually not that hard once you see how to do it. First thing we're gonna need is a T40 Torx and a 6mm Allen. We're gonna take our grab rails off and pull our seat off. Underneath those little hand grabs is gonna be an Allen on either side. That's a 6mm. We'll pull those out and the seat will slide right off the back. So next, we're gonna pull these 4 Allens out. You'll need a 4mm Allen. When you take these screws out, there's a little sleeve in there. Make sure you don't lose those little sleeves that are underneath those screws. You need to take this little rubber dust seal off while we're here. So this is basically kind of Velcroed in there, but there is this little tab here. So we're gonna pull up and then we're gonna slide it out of the tab. So next we have to take these airbox covers off, and we need a 6mm Allen to pull these 2 screws out down below. I'm gonna pop the rubber grommets down here, and then now we're gonna pick up. There we go. Pop here, give it a little. So we gotta take this little bracket off right here, but it's a little tricky. So first of all, there's 2 10mm bolts up here and a 10mm nut down here, and you'll have to pull your gas cap off to get it to come off, but it's still gonna be held on by this little plastic trim ring around the ignition. And the best way to get this off is to go to the little tab in the back with a little pick or screwdriver and pry from the tab in the back, have it pop over the top of it. So this is what we are prying up on. Got these 2 little slots, these 2 curved pieces, and we are prying this up over the top. If you want to pry on this right here, it'll pop this up. So now we're to the actual airbox, and there is 7 T25 Torx in here. Once we pull those 7 screws out, this is gonna pull up and out of here, and it'll show us our air filter. There is our old and busted dirty air filter. This just pushes out the back, and the new one only goes in one way. There's like a little stepped ledge on that, and it's gonna lay right down in there. We slide it back into the airbox. We're gonna torque these to 14 inch-pounds. So I'm gonna put our bracket back on. And we're gonna torque the 2 bolts up here and the 1 nut down here to 36 inch-pounds. So we're gonna put our ignition trim piece back on. You just wanna make sure that it ends up with the writing on the left-hand side of the bike. Kind of the easiest way to do this is to put this on there and twist it over the top of the stops. So we're gonna put the airbox covers on next. It's best to put the 2 pegs into the rubber grommets, push them in, and then pull this over the top of the slots. If you try to do the slots first and then the rubber grommets, you're gonna be searching around down there. It's better to line these up, push it in, and then slip it over the top of the slots. There's 2 little screws that get torqued to 36 inch-pounds. This center console piece, put the tab into the slot and just press down on it. You'll hear it kind of click into place. The next thing we need to do, put our little rubber dust seal back on. It's got a little groove that we're gonna slide around that plastic piece with the square part to the top. Our final cover, we're gonna put into place, and we're gonna torque our 4 screws to 36 inch-pounds. We're gonna put our seat on and we're going to torque the 2 Allens that hold the seat on to 88 inch-pounds. We're gonna put our hand grabs back on. We're gonna torque those to 19 foot-pounds. There we have it, upgraded air filter for our FTR. Hopefully picked up a couple extra ponies in there somewhere. As always, have any questions, feel free to drop us a comment. Go work on your motorcycle.